170 pursuit. It's time you come out, mate. Best I go over to Dead Edge Shed and get Daz's engine lifter. I go to Daz's empty-handed.
League will be holding their annual fundraising event tomorrow. It's called Tailwag. It's employed.com.au.
Daz Mark and all his element looting. Daz's wagon. Check him out on Dead Edge Shed. In the shed. Two-door coupe, obviously. Ongoing project. Beautiful. Fuck, this is gonna pinch the fingers. Don't about that, just push it up. They'd be picking that up when we start. It's for lifting out fucking boat, mate. It's boating. What, the one you've got? No, that. It's huge. Oh, all right. Righto, got the engine stand on. Home to rip that engine out. Let's do it. Might get sidetracked here. Call into the pub. Doesn't look like the engine's getting done today.
Still haven't taken the engine out. Doesn't even look like it's happening tonight, boys. Keep posting.
Righto guys, here we are. Engine still in. Bung one on last night. Didn't happen. Just going to take him out now. Daz is on his way over. Some moral support. We'll get this baby out. 170 pursuit. There she is. She's out. Finally got it done with the help of Dazza in his best shirt. 170 pursuit. Like and share. More videos coming. Original engine. All matching numbers on everything. Beautiful. And there's the hole.